Caleb Campos. I'm a senior at Seguin High School, and today we're going to be doing the Made in Seguin tour. Come follow me.
This is a great opportunity for our kids. As a teacher, I teach construction trades, but to be able to see all these different manufacturing facilities, it's all about experiential learning. If your parents don't do the job, if you don't have a close family member to tell you what it's about, it's these field trips and these businesses opening up their warehouses, their manufacturing facilities to speak honestly to the kids about what the careers are like, what they're looking for out of employees, and where you can go. It's one of the best days all year long.
We're just giving them a glimpse of what is out there in manufacturing because, 70% of the jobs around here are manufacturing. So why not be part of it, right? Let them know what it is.
Oh, I just saw how there's a bunch of these processes on how to make carbon fiber. So the start to finish, that surprised me the most.
So I think a lot of these events that we do, I hope they take in the understanding it's not always the easiest job to do, right? As I mentioned before, you walk in the door and you set your own self up for success, right? A lot of the kids that we talk to, sometimes they ask about pay. Pay is always the first thing they ask for, right? And the second thing is how much do I gotta work? How many hours I gotta do? And I tell them you walk in, the pay will be great, it's all up to you. And just understanding this is your first step into a long career that you could possibly have with the company. Now, it's not necessarily has to do with anything with Niagara or even where you go with the rest of your career, but at least you get some good honest feedback from the company, well experience of what you started with and going into, and just overall the understanding what manufacturing is all about.
I kind of started at the very bottom just as they would if they came in here fresh off the street. Starting off, I had no prior maintenance experience, never seen manufacturing at this scale, but shortly after, it was the management team and supervisors and team members that kind of took me under their wing and allowed me to grow. Just as Jeff had mentioned before, really all the tools are handed to you. It's what you do with them. Yeah, I'd say absolutely you can grow in this company. All you have to do is try. Just walk in the door and see what happens. Really have nothing to lose, and the possibilities are endless.
Really cool having the opportunity to show what Seguin has to offer. A lot of our students don't realize that things like this are out here in the community. Opportunities where they can go get a job right out of high school, certifications, opportunities like Texas Fame where they can go get an associate's degree, go straight into a career. There's things here in their hometown that they had no idea were even available to them.
Man, today with the Seguin tour, it was so much fun. I want to give a big thank you out to the Seguin EDC for letting us come, and I can't wait till next year.